Weak shower spray is often not damage. If your shower spray has become weak, your shower head may not be broken. It may just be slowly getting blocked from the inside. At first, the change is small. One day the shower feels powerful. A few months later, it feels softer. Then some holes stop spraying straight. A few jets shoot sideways. Some holes barely spray at all. And suddenly, your normal shower feels disappointing. Most people think the water pressure has dropped. Sometimes that can be true. But in many homes, the problem is much simpler. The shower head is slowly filling with mineral buildup. The strange part is that the buildup does not usually happen all at once. It happens drop by drop, shower by shower, day after day. Every time water passes through the shower head, it can leave behind tiny mineral traces. Over time, those tiny traces can turn into a real blockage. So the real question is simple. Why does clean water leave behind something that can block your shower? The water is carrying more than water. The water coming into your home is not just pure H2O. In many places, water naturally carries dissolved minerals. The most common ones linked with hard water are calcium and magnesium. These minerals usually come from the ground. As water moves through soil and rock, it can dissolve small amounts of minerals and carry them along. This is normal. It does not mean the water is dirty. It just means the water has minerals inside it. When water has a higher amount of calcium and magnesium, people call it hard water. Hard water can leave spots on glass, white marks around faucets, film on shower doors, and scale inside appliances. Your shower head is a perfect place for this buildup to happen because it has many tiny holes. Water is forced through those holes every day. Then, after the shower is turned off, small drops stay behind. As those drops dry, the water evaporates, but some minerals can remain. At first, the buildup may look like a tiny white crust around the holes. But inside the shower head, the same process can happen where you cannot see it. Why tiny holes make a big difference? A shower head works by pushing water through small openings. Those openings shape the spray and help create the feeling of pressure. That means the holes do not need to be fully blocked to make the shower feel weak. Even a small amount of buildup can narrow the opening. When many holes become partly blocked, the spray pattern changes. This is why a weak shower head often does not fail in one dramatic moment. It slowly gets worse. One hole clogs. Then another. Then a few more. Some jets lose strength. Some spray in strange directions. Some become misty. Others stop working almost completely. From the outside, it feels like the whole shower has lost pressure. But the actual water supply may be fine. The problem may be happening only at the final step, right where the water exits. Think of it like breathing through a straw. If the straw is clean, air moves easily. But if the straw becomes narrower, even a little, it becomes harder to breathe through it. The same idea happens inside a shower head. The smaller the exit path becomes, the weaker the spray feels. The science of limescale, the white or chalky buildup people often see around showers and faucets, is commonly called limescale. It is usually connected to minerals from hard water. When water dries, minerals can be left behind on surfaces. In hot water systems, solid mineral deposits can form more easily. That is why scale can build up in kettles, coffee makers, water heaters, faucets, and shower heads. The shower head is especially vulnerable because it has narrow spaces and repeated wet-dry cycles. It gets soaked with warm water, then dries. Then it gets soaked again, then dries again. Each cycle can leave a little more residue behind. This is also why the problem may be worse in some homes than others. Two people can buy the same shower head, but one person may get buildup quickly and another may not. The difference is often the water itself. If your area has harder water, mineral buildup can happen faster. If your water is softer, it may happen much more slowly. Why the spray gets uneven. A weak shower head does not always become weak in a smooth, even way. Sometimes it becomes messy. You may see water shooting sideways. You may see some holes spraying harder than others. You may notice the center spray is weak while the outer ring still works. Or the shower may feel sharp in one spot and dead in another. This happens because buildup is not always evenly spread. Some holes clog faster. Some stay open longer. Some mineral pieces may form near the opening, while others collect deeper inside the shower head. The result is an uneven spray pattern. Instead of one balanced shower, you get a mix of strong jets, weak jets, sideways jets, and blocked holes. That is why the shower head can look mostly normal but still perform badly. The real problem may be hidden in small openings and internal passages. Why vinegar often helps. One reason people use vinegar for mineral buildup is that vinegar is acidic. Mineral scale is often easier to remove with a mild acid than with plain water. The simple idea is this. Water leaves mineral deposits behind. The acid in vinegar helps dissolve some of those mineral particles, so they can loosen and rinse away. This is also why soaking a shower head can work better than only wiping the outside. The buildup is not only on the surface. Some of it may be inside the holes. A soak gives the vinegar more time to reach the blocked areas. A common method is to fill a plastic bag with white vinegar, place it around the shower head, and secure it so the nozzles are soaking. After soaking, the shower head is rinsed and the holes are gently brushed. But there is one important warning. Vinegar is not safe for every finish or every surface. Some delicate finishes can be damaged by long soaking. If the shower head has a special finish, it is better to check the manufacturer's cleaning instructions first and avoid harsh scrubbing. The goal is not to attack the shower head. The goal is to loosen the mineral buildup without damaging the fixture. The shower head may not be the only problem. Mineral buildup is one of the most common reasons a shower head gets weak over time, but it is not the only possible reason. Sometimes a small screen or filter inside the shower head catches debris. Tiny particles from pipes can collect there and reduce flow. Sometimes the shower hose is kinked. Sometimes the valve has an issue. Sometimes the home really does have a water pressure problem. A simple clue is how the problem appears. If only one shower head is weak, but other faucets and showers are fine, the issue is likely close to that shower head. If every water outlet in the home is weak, the problem may be bigger than the shower head. Another clue is the spray pattern. If some holes work and others do not, or if water shoots in odd directions, that often points to clogging near the nozzles. This is why cleaning the shower head is usually a smart first step. It is simple, low cost, and often solves the problem before you replace anything. Why modern shower heads can still feel weak. Modern shower heads are designed to control water flow. In the United States, standard shower heads use 2.5 gallons of water per minute, while WaterSense labeled shower heads use no more than 2.0 gallons per minute and are tested for performance. That means a newer shower head may already be designed to use less water than older models. That is not the same thing as being clogged. A clean water-saving shower head can still give a satisfying spray if it is designed well. But when mineral buildup starts blocking the small holes, even a good showerhead can begin to feel weak. The issue is not only how much water enters the fixture. It is also how well the water exits. This is why cleaning matters. A showerhead does not need to be old to lose performance. If hard water keeps leaving deposits, even a newer showerhead can start to spray badly. The easy before and after. The most satisfying part of this problem is that the fix can sometimes be very visible. Before cleaning, the spray may look thin, uneven, and messy. After cleaning, more holes may open up again. The spray can look fuller. The water may come out straighter. The shower may feel stronger, even though the home's actual water pressure never changed. That before and after is what makes this topic interesting. The showerhead was not always broken. It was slowly being choked by minerals. And the reason it happens is not mysterious. It is simple everyday chemistry. Minerals are carried in the water. Water dries. Minerals stay behind. Small holes get smaller. The spray gets weaker. Why this matters in daily life: a weak showerhead is a small problem, but it affects something people do every day. It can make showers take longer. It can make rinsing shampoo harder. It can make a bathroom feel older than it really is. And it can make people spend money replacing a fixture that may only need cleaning. Understanding the cause helps you make a better choice. If buildup is the problem, cleaning may restore the spray. If cleaning does not help, then it may be time to check the screen, hose, valve, or water pressure. But the main lesson is simple. A weak shower spray is often not a sign that the showerhead is ruined. It may be a sign that your water has been quietly leaving minerals behind for months or years. So the next time your shower starts feeling weak, do not immediately assume the showerhead is broken. Look closely at the holes. Check for white crusty buildup. Notice if the spray is uneven or shooting sideways. If it is, the problem may be mineral buildup from hard water. Your showerhead is one of those everyday objects that seems simple, but there is a lot happening inside it. Every tiny hole matters. Every drop of water can leave something behind. And over time, those tiny leftovers can change the way your whole shower feels. Weak spray is often buildup, not damage. And once you understand that, the fix may be much simpler than replacing the whole showerhead.